I am absolutely obsessed with this hard shell velvety plush glasses case. It even fits your oversized, ginormous sunglasses. It is so good, guys. Oh my gosh. I was sent this to review from Modern Eyewear. Not only is it beautiful, but it almost serves as like a fidget for like sensory fun and stuff because it's just such a plush case. But it is hard, so it's gonna protect your glasses. No more worrying about sitting on them or dropping them or whatever. It comes with a beautiful branded cleaning cloth that matches the case, and you can just kind of keep it in there. That's what I do. I wouldn't recommend keeping this in the case because obviously it could scratch stuff, but it is really handy to have on hand. And it came with this little mini repair tool. It's double-sided, so you've got two kinds here to repair glasses, your watch, any teeny tiny little things like that. So handy. And it comes with a little keychain holder there. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous, practical. I love this color. This is the red velvet large size. The product page makes this look like a hot pink, but it is not. It's red, not pink at all. You can see kind of next to my pink. If this is too big, like if you have smaller glasses perhaps, and you don't want to take up as much landscape in your purse or your backpack, you could get the size smaller, which is the medium. But I love this large size for my oversized sunglasses.